Summerfolk is over, and it was exhausting. Yeah. It's the wettest one I can remember, and I've been doing this for 28 years. We have never had this much rain, and now Tuesday, it's all sunshine. It's gorgeous. Anywho, show you some highlights from Sunday night and Monday teardown. Enjoy. It is still Summerfolk Sunday. The rain has stopped, and we are slowly pumping out the park. Yeah, you can see some of the water being pumped out of the park there. Right there, yeah, okay. Yeah, but in any case, main stage has been shut down. Several stages have been shut down, and basically the festival is being moved to the bar stage, which is up back there. So that's going to be crowded and fun and exciting. And I'm stumbling on jagged and uneven rocks because I'm klutzy. Oh, and I'm standing on my umbrella. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so, yeah. Anyway, here I am. God, it has been a rough weekend, but we're doing good, and everybody's a happy camper. Lots and lots of happy people around today. It's all good. All right, take care. Love yous all. Oh, wow. So this is probably the wettest Summerfolk that I have ever seen, and I've seen some pretty wet ones. I've seen some dry ones. I've seen some hot ones, and I've seen some cold ones. I've seen one cold one. Yeah, I think it did snow once in the late 90s, but we've had some brutally hot ones, and some very wet ones, and some very sunny ones, and they've all been great. They've all been fun, and yeah, the Summerfolk community just keeps growing because we keep getting more and more interesting new people who finds that the discomfort is well worth the forging of the friendships and connections that come with this particular folk festival, which is one of the friendliest festivals out there. Summerfolk, third weekend of August, Owen Sound, Ontario, Canada. And as I said before, if you're not here, why not?
He's a multi-instrumentalist. He's a Canadian national treasure, and I know he's beloved here because I brought him onto this very stage in the class. Ladies and gentlemen, Garnet Rogers is here. And sitting on his left is a man that he would probably introduce himself in the most glowing of tones. And, well, a broadcaster, a scholar of song, an author of tremendous songs, many of which, whether you know it or not, you know and love. Please welcome Archie Fisher. Give it up, folks. This is going to be great.
This set is going to be
Like there's a whole
the last
thoroughfare right in front of them.
Garnet Rogers farewell tour that started in 2018. being cold as the world rolls back, very vanished and blind. But the spirit shall live on the outside track as long as the years go by. Our lights cold in the morning mist, the food on the water's green. Over the railing we crossed the dark tide came between. Smile and leave it behind. Your name, remember your face. You're ever the same. In time and in space, doors open and close, roads run to a land. So I'll compose a song for refrain.
Did you ever take it into your head to do something as foolish as drive across the United States? One of the most beautiful drives is between Sheridan, Wyoming and Billings, Montana, because you get to go past the Little Bighorn battlefield. And if you have any sense of outrage whatsoever, it's a good place to walk around and think about that one last great win for the good guys.
Hey, yep. It is Summerfolk Monday. And that is a very brave little chipmunk who may or may not be taking off in a second. Don't know yet, but oh yeah. We are tearing down everything because, yeah, that's what you do at the end of the year. Oh yeah. So yeah, I remember yesterday when it was raining and that water was right above the top of that culvert. Above the culvert, yes, above the top of that culvert there, yeah. Well now, it's considerably down and there's actually room underneath and no longer a gushing torrent heading out, but I'm pretty sure that we've cut a trench in the water, in the lake bed leading out there. That's probably pretty deep now. Yeah, that'll be fun. Anywho, we are dismantling Summerfolk and progress is happening. And if you don't believe me, look around for yourself. This was the artisan village. Yeah, remember? Oh yeah, it's all gone.